Hey folks, a mild night across the valley. Temperatures have cooled a little bit, but not all that much. Upper 50s and low 60s across the region. 64 at South Padre Island, 57 in Edinburg. Everybody else in the 60s except Rio Grande City at 59. Overnight readings don't do much of anything. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, mainly in the 50s valley-wide. So a cool night, but not cold. And then by lunchtime tomorrow, you're right back up in the 70s again. With those temperatures in the 70s, though, it's going to be windy, probably very windy, gusts to over 35 miles an hour more than likely. By 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we're still holding in the low 70s, and then by going out time tomorrow night, you're looking at low 60s across the region. So a cool night. And then Saturday, look at this. 40s in most locations except the beach. A little warmer there, but 47, 48 across the middle part of the valley Saturday morning. So your weekend activities get off to a cool start. But by afternoon, we're back in the upper 60s, probably low 70s again. And then Sunday morning, we start chilly again. So your early morning activity Sunday, you'll need a jacket. By afternoon, right back up in the 70s again. So it looks like some mild days ahead. The normal highs of the red line, 70. We're going to be above that through Monday. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, a little bit cooler than normal, but not dramatically so. And then we warm back up by Thursday. So our roller coaster ride's kind of the kiddie coaster right now. Not a lot of big ups and downs like you'd see if there was a big cold front coming in. So a lot of clouds today, a fair amount of moisture, but not much in the way of rainfall today. Again, we had in our studios 0.02. Add that to yesterday's 3,800, so just under a half an inch for the year to date. Fog by late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Don't be surprised if you see some thick fog in some places. But by tomorrow afternoon, by really 9 o'clock in the morning, we're back to partly sunny skies, and then the wind starts to blow out of the northwest. A weak front comes through, dries the air out, but also makes a gusty day across the area. 15 to 25, gusting to over 30, maybe over 35, especially at the coast. Saturday, the wind goes away, and we see plenty of sunshine. I think Saturday looks like a delightful day, and so does Sunday, really. All the moisture beginning to work its way out, but the big upper air storm still sitting back over here. Once that gets east of us, then our rain chances will fade away. Our clouds will fade away very, very quickly. So that's the trough. It moves eastward. Front comes through in the morning. Strong northwest winds. Once this axis up here that's to the north of us still tomorrow gets well off to the east, then the northwest flow. These lines, upper level winds, northwest flow comes in, pushes all the clouds out, and then we've got sunshine for Saturday. Plenty of sunshine for Sunday. The flow still westerly aloft. A weak front comes in on Monday. That'll cool it off a little bit for the middle part of next week, but as we showed you in the temperatures, it's not a dramatic cool down. We're still likely in the 60s even for the middle part of next week. So for tonight, it looks this way. Your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast, 56. Mainly cloudy, just some patchy fog showing up. Then tomorrow the front comes in, becomes sunny and windy, a high of 74. Those winds out of the northwest, 12 to 25. A fire weather watch also in effect for tomorrow. It's going to be dry to go with that wind, so any fire that starts could spread quickly. Keep that in mind. But then sunshine after that, a little bit cooler for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast. Hey, Joel.